You aced the interviews, nailed the callbacks, and bam, you've got a job offer on the table. But, hold up, the numbers they're throwing at you don't quite match the expertise and skills you're bringing to the table. That's where the art of negotiation comes in. If you feel the proposed salary doesn't do justice to your education, career level, and all the skills you're packing, it's time to have that money talk. Maybe you're eyeing some sweet equity or stock options, or perhaps you're dreaming of extra vacation days to recharge. The bottom line? It's your career, your value. Let's make sure the compensation reflects that. Hey there, welcome to Finance Homefront. Bev here, and today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone on the career journey, negotiating that salary like a pro. In this episode, we'll walk you through 10 steps on how to flex those negotiation muscles. So grab your notepad, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons, and let's dive into the art of getting that paycheck to match your hustle. First things first, before diving into the salary negotiation battlefield, take a moment to assess your own value. Consider the factors that can sway your compensation: your location, industry experience, leadership background, education level, career progression, specialized skills, and any licenses or certifications you might hold. For instance, the cost of living in San Francisco might warrant a higher salary compared to Minneapolis for the same role. If you exceed the experience or leadership expectations, that could be grounds for negotiating a bump in pay. Having a relevant degree or mastering niche skills can also impact your earning potential. Essentially, know your worth before entering the negotiation ring. Next up, arm yourself with market knowledge. Researching the market average is like having a secret weapon. Platforms like Indeed Salaries can be your ally in this quest. By looking into national averages, geographic-specific figures, and company pay scales for similar roles, you gain valuable insights. This data not only sets a baseline for your salary expectations, but also provides solid ground for justifying your ask. Before you step into the ring of salary negotiations, it's crucial to prep your talking points. Begin by answering a fundamental question that will guide your conversation. Why do you believe you deserve a higher salary than what's on the table? Craft specific talking points, covering achievements like goals met, revenue driven, or awards earned in previous roles. Actual numbers can make your case more compelling. Highlight your years of industry experience, especially if it surpasses the stated minimum requirement. Emphasize sought-after skills or certifications within your industry, and gather intel on average salaries offered by similar employers for comparable roles. Once your notes are ready, reach out to the recruiter or hiring manager to schedule a discussion. While negotiating via email is an option, a phone call, video chat, or in-person meeting is recommended. This format allows for a dynamic conversation, where you can express gratitude, articulate your requirements, and engage in a back-and-forth dialogue. Be clear and respectful during this interaction, as these professionals will be your advocates when presenting your case to decision makers. To boost your confidence and refine your delivery, consider rehearsing with a trusted friend or colleague. Practicing your talking points in a supportive environment can help you identify areas of improvement and fine-tune your approach. Whether it's a mock conversation with a friend or recording yourself, this step is crucial in overcoming any discomfort associated with discussing finances. The more you rehearse, the more at ease you'll feel when it's time to navigate the real conversation about your work. Exude confidence. When stepping into the negotiation arena, confidence is key. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. The more assurance you radiate, the more the employer will value and consider your input. It's important to note that confidence doesn't equate to arrogance. It's simply an acknowledgement of your abilities and qualities. Avoid the mistake of over-explaining or apologizing for your requests, as these tendencies can undermine your negotiation efforts. Instead, present your desired salary with confidence, offering a succinct summary of your rationale. Express gratitude. As you navigate the job offer phase, recognize the mutual investment of time and effort from both you and the employer. Take a moment to convey gratitude for being considered for the opportunity. Share specific reasons that fuel your excitement about the job, whether it's the company culture or the product. Even if you find yourself declining the offer, maintain a friendly and professional tone. You never know what future opportunities may arise with the same employer. Ask at the top. In the dance of salary negotiation, a fundamental rule is to present a slightly higher number than your actual goal. By doing so, you create room for negotiation, ensuring that even if the employer counters with a lower figure, the final offer aligns with your expectations. If providing a salary range, be mindful that employers might lean toward the lower end. Set your lowest number within the range at an amount you deem fair to safeguard your financial comfort. Discuss job-related costs. Another valid reason for seeking a higher salary is to address any financial burdens incurred due to accepting the job. For instance, if you're relocating for the position, you'll be facing moving expenses and potential costs tied to selling or leasing your current home. Those taking roles further from their residence needs to consider commute-related expenses, such as train fares, gas, and the wear and tear on their vehicle. It's common for candidates to discuss potential adjustments to the salary to accommodate these additional costs associated with the new job. Prepare for tough questions. Recruiters and hiring managers engage in negotiations regularly, often posing challenging questions to understand your motivations. It's crucial not to be thrown off by these inquiries and to maintain honesty throughout the process. Expect questions like whether the company is your top choice, if you would accept an immediate offer with a higher salary, or if you have other job offers on the table. Negotiating your salary after a job offer can be a crucial step in securing a compensation package that aligns with your skills and experience. We've covered essential steps and considerations in this guide to empower you during this process. Remember, each negotiation is unique, and finding a balance that works for you and your future employer is key. Thanks for joining us today on Finance Homefront. We hope you found these tips on negotiating salary valuable. Have you ever negotiated your salary after receiving a job offer? How did it go? Share your experiences in the comments below. And as a reminder, this is not financial advice. It's always a good idea to do your own research or consult with a professional. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our helpful content.